Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by anchoring. Notice the first edge of the anxious thought and label it. Say the word aloud or in your head, worry or what if. Then settle your body. Take 3 slow, deep breaths and press your feet into the floor to interrupt the reflex. Once stable, set a short timer for 5 to 10 minutes to observe the thought without chasing it. This creates the mental space you need. It reduces urgency and lets you move from reacting to choosing. Once done observing, you investigate the thought systematically. Ask 3 questions. Is this true? Is it useful? And is it actionable? Make a quick evidence list, 2 facts that support the worry and 2 that contradict it, so you see the imbalance. Then craft a single, realistic reframe, a balanced sentence that acknowledges risk but focuses on next steps. This shifts you from worst-case looping to problem-solving. It reduces emotional charge and points toward a concrete response you can actually take. You finish by choosing one small, specific action that addresses the worry, a 5-minute task that moves the situation forward. Do it now. Momentum reduces anxiety. If the panic returns, apply a grounding sequence. Name 5 visible things, touch 4 textures, hear 3 sounds. This calms the nervous system quickly. Make sure to schedule a 24 to 48-hour follow-up to review results and adjust. If progress stalls, retrace the evidence step and tighten the action into even smaller, manageable pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.